Hello everyone, today's lesson is lesson 29, reading and shading a thermometer to the nearest 2 degrees Fahrenheit. So every morning we look at the thermometer and write the temperature down. Okay. Up till now we've written down the temperature to the nearest 10 degrees. Okay, so if my temperature went to this mark, I would say it was 20 degrees, about 20 degrees. Well, now we're going to read the temperature to the nearest 2 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, most thermometers have marks in between the 10s. So between the 10 and the 20, you can see we have these lines. Okay. And there's the lines between the 20 and the 30. All the way up. Okay. And there's not enough room on the thermometer to write numbers next to the marks, so we're not sure what they are. So we need to look for a pattern. So maybe each of these lines means 1 degree. So let's fill in between the 10 and the 20 to see if it's correct. So if it was by ones, this next mark would be 11, and then 12, 13, 14. Well, I don't have enough marks because the next number should be 15 and it's 20. So it can't be by ones. So maybe it's by fives. Let's count by fives as we fill in each one. So we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Well, this next mark would have been 35, so it can't be by fives either. Let's see if each of these lines means 2 degrees. And so let's count by twos. So we have 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, and then 30. So each of these marks equals 2 degrees, and this is the correct pattern. Okay, so I'm going to show you temperature on the thermometer. Okay, so we're going to select this picture and make it smaller. Again, here we go. All right. So I'm going to fill in the temperature on the thermometer, and we're going to figure out what it is. There we go. All right, so what temperature is it pointing to? So we're going to start from, I didn't go up high enough. Misread my own thermometer. There we go. So we're going to start at the nearest 10 and then count up by twos till we get to the answer. So we go 10 and then 12. So since it's on this line, this would be 12 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. All right, so what about if we do another one and move it up to this line? So we're going to take it up to here. Okay. All right, so again, we start at the nearest tens mark, which in this case is 20, and then we count by twos. So it was 20, 22, 24, 26. So this line is at the 26, so it's 26 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, now I have some degrees up here at the top, and we need to fill it in. So the first one is 84 degrees Fahrenheit. So we need to take my line, starting at the bottom, and go up to 84 degrees. So we're going to take it up to the 80 degree mark, and then count by twos. 82, 84. And so as long as my line matches up with the 84, I'm good. Okay, what about 68? So we take it, we go up to the closest 10, or to the 10, which is 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, right there. So that's 68 degrees. For 52 degrees, we start down at the bottom, and we go up to the 50, and we go 50, 52, right there. And the last one is 16 degrees. So we start at the bottom, and we go up to 10, and we go 12, 14, 16. Okay, and that is how you fill in thermometers and how you read them to the nearest 2 degrees. Good luck on your homework.